So I'm showing you the digging right now. You can see that it's pretty fucking loud. Dig, 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 dig. Now we're going with my drone. This is the camp, including the bending steel station right here, or the station for making many things. We've got 2 Burmese guys sleeping there at the moment. They're like the people of the camp right now. And now I'm going to show you a video. תראה כמה הם כבר עשו. עובדים סוף סוף רציני. כולם עובדים, עושים חיים. Now I want to show you how they're moving the rocks. That after they broke all of this and it went like this, they started moving the rocks. I'm going to show you now in this video. You can see how the excavator is picking them up, moving them to the side. We're going to decide what to do with them a bit later. Not at the moment, we're not sure. Actually, we are kind of sure. We wanted to make something like this. Yeah, we wanted to make a wall like this. So we're gonna have someone break them down and then make a wall just like this. Now, obviously I'll show you another view of moving the rocks. And you can see here in the view, you see my villa. This is the one we already have built. So we're building 2 under it. Yeah, I'll give you a quick view with the drone right now too. But after the party. Yeah, you can see it now. Yeah, very beautiful, very blue. I really like it. Now I'm going to be showing you here how he's just flattened the land. After moving the rocks over there, he's flattening it. He's just moving it from side to side, smashing his arm on the ground. So, like you're gonna see now, we're walking on the cement that's already done. Today it's already done, so we can walk on it. Yesterday we finished the pour.